Hi, so I'm just gonna finish my makeup and tell you about a YouTube video that I'm gonna film very soon on my channel. I wanna do a proper Q&A. I have a lot of new subscribers and I wanna welcome everyone and just kind of catch people that are new to my channel up to speed on just my background, who I am, how long I've been doing makeup for. So all those questions you have that I may not have had a chance to answer, I wanna answer in one sit down video. So if there's ever been a question that you would love an answer to, and it could be personal, it could be business related, it could be makeup related, it could be pretty much anything. So maybe think a little bit different and think outside the box and ask me questions that you've always wanted to know about me, because this is gonna be a little bit more on like the personal side. You can also throw in makeup questions if you really have them, and if I have not answered them before, I'll try to answer them as well. But I want this to be focused a little bit more on like just overall getting to know me and my background. So it's gonna go up very soon. So leave me your questions in the comment section of this video. That's gonna be extremely helpful. I feel like Q&A videos are really fun to watch. I've actually always enjoyed watching different Q&A videos on YouTube. I think they're fun. You know, it's like fun to switch it up and just get to know that person that's sitting behind the camera that's with you every week. But yeah, for example, if you've ever been one of the people that has asked me about my jewelry, I get asked about my jewelry. I get asked just so often about my jewelry, and I feel bad because I've answered so many people in the past, but I haven't answered all like the new subscribers. So like I said, it's just gonna be nice to sit down and answer some of the most common questions that I get as well. And that way everyone can just, you know, get a nice clear answer. And like I said, if you're new here, it's gonna be a great way to just kind of catch up to speed on who I am and who you subscribe to. So I always feel bad when I can't answer all the questions that I get throughout my lives. It's tough because I get a lot of questions, and you know, it can be hard to multitask sometimes doing my makeup and answering questions. So this would be a great chance to just get it all done. I'm gonna finish my eyes with a little mascara from LYS. Everything I used for this video just now will be in the description box. Okay, makeup's done. Can't wait to see your questions. Leave them all in the comments. I can't wait to sit down and answer them and talk to you all. So wish me luck. Hopefully we get a ton of questions in, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.